Same old Mickey waffles.
Turn around. I'm gonna push you under.
And we have more.
I would try to get some bacon.
If you don't want any of your bacon, I'll eat it. But what just happened?
We're outside waiting for our bus.
Well, we just missed the bus to Magic Kingdom. It was right there, and then when we got there, it just left. So now we have to wait like another 20 minutes. Right, Maura?
Yeah.
Meeting Merida.
Plus, I think, oh my god, that's got racing transparency. Oh, there. Told you did. You know what? You know what they did when they were bears? Whenever they were bears, they wanted to eat more cake.
Here we go, Maura. You gotta spin.
I'll spin it.
Oh, bombs. Mom, don't throw up.
Good for the kid. Good for the kid.
No, the spin revolves around you.
I can slow down whatever you want.
Do you want me to go fast?
And I can go faster whenever you want.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mom's not very happy.
Oh, we know we're not bringing on this ride next time.
Yeah, we're gonna leave you at home. Snack break. Was it good, Maura? This sucks. Now we're on Big Thunder Mountain. So now we're meeting up with Maura and Mom, and we're gonna go on Splash Mountain for Maura's first time.
Vicky, there's some stairs here.
What ride are you going on, Maura?
For Magic Kingdom.
This slide is going in it now.
Splash Mountain?
Yeah, Splash Mountain, and it's gonna splash us on the rock.
You're gonna go down the big log and get wet.
And then we're gonna go like.
Maura wanted the mystery packs.
Yeah, I'll open them. I don't know where I should open them.
Maura just opened up some mystery packs, but you are gonna have to go on her channel to see what she got. Her channel will be linked below. Maura, what's your channel name?
Maura's World.
So you're gonna have to go to that and subscribe and see what she got in her mystery packs. She got some pretty cool things. Say links below.
Links to go.
We're at Yachtsman and I got the chicken noodle soup for the appetizer. And that's the lobster bisque. Is that good?
Delicious.
We're at Hollywood Studios. Just trying to figure out where Toy Story Land is.
Yeah, we're up.
Last year it had entrance and it was
This is the furthest left of the map. It's right here.
Mom.
That's the furthest left. Yeah, where is the entrance?
wait, where'd Selena go?